Hello, my friends. Hello, hello. Testing, testing. One, two, three. Okay, great. We are live again, my friends. Come, let's go. Okay, I think today we can live a little bit longer. Okay, because tomorrow I'm quite free. Okay, so today we don't really have to end at around 11 p.m. or something. Maybe can go a little bit later. Hello, Roderick. Hello, Jianwei. Nice to see you guys again. 2 a.m. cannot, huh? I need to wake up early to, do the website and everything. Okay, we can go our usual time. Shouldn't be an issue, okay? How's my website progress? Not really good. I think I can show you. Let me do a refresh. Uh, Okay, I finally thought of the name for my course already, okay? I'm going to call it the Next Wave Traders. But of course, you see lah, you need photo lah and everything. I don't have anything though, so I need to go in source, then go and put something in. Of course, this part I will delete, then some FAQ, testimonial, and everything. Yeah, just a very, very simple one. But then most importantly, I needed to be able to host videos and then add you guys into the Discord group. That will be more than good enough. Okay, like what all this ask you to subscribe to email, all that, I think I will just remove it. I don't need all this. They do for you one, right? The video hosting. Yes, I recorded the video and then I upload to their server. So it's something like what, huh? Like a video hosting platform. And no worries, bro. I think today market might pull back a little bit. Okay? And I want to see whether I can get into Nvidia and AMD or not. Yes, bro. 1769. I'm waiting for Nvidia to pull back a little bit before we can get in. Maybe coming down here a bit. At least here. Around like 153 area. If possible, can come down to 153. I would like to buy Nvidia. Yes, the market is very, very green. But this month as compared to last month, right? I think the last 2 months is still better. This month the market, although SPY went up a lot, but most of the Magnificent Seven, they are quite slow, except for Nvidia. Nvidia and AMD is crazy. Visa. Okay, I'm also interested in Visa. Let's see. Oh, yesterday my 0 DTE for Visa, I took a very, very, very small loss. Like maybe 0.1% or 0.2 max. Because I think it was somewhere here I closed it off. I remember it was about 2 a.m. plus. Yeah, 2 a.m. plus. So should be this very candle. Yeah, yesterday I do the website until like it's not easy though. Although it says that it's user friendly, but a lot of things you still need to set it yourself. The fonts lah and everything. Then I asked Perplexity to help me. Which font is better? Okay, our QCOM is good, but the RR is not very high, right? Let me see. QCOM. Just now I was thinking whether should I close some partial profit for QCOM. Yeah, it's still not very high, so about 1:1 only. Have to wait, huh? Have to wait. Okay, our Palantir like a bit no strength, huh? But maybe hopefully we do a very, very slow climb going up, then we will be fine for Palantir. But Visa I like it. Visa, I think we need to wait for that breakout. Yeah, hopefully pre-market we don't break out first, then that will be the best case scenario already. Visa, how about Master? We take a look at Master. Master is also looking good, so you can choose either one of it. But I think if you look at the fundamentals, right, I think Visa is slightly a little bit more stronger. Yeah, you also can try Master. Either one of it is good. Mm, yeah, both looks good. Both looks good. Couch right, nothing. Okay, can. Go shower. No risk. See you later. Enjoy your shower. Oh, Disney is wrong. Nice, Disney. Come on. Go. Don't come back anymore, Disney. Okay, Disney is good. I can set an alarm somewhere here at about 121.5. So in case if we get a sudden sell off, I can quickly close away my positions. PayPal, nothing for me. Roku also nothing. Hmm. Are you all looking at any instrument today? Okay, UNH. UNH can be a tough one though. For me, currently UNH no setups. I will continue to scan. What about this? PNG no setup. Casco no setup also. HD. HD. HD maybe if you're someone who trades HD, you can wait until next week. Next week maybe there are some pullbacks and then you can try to enter this stock. Hello Dylan, nice to see you. Are you looking at anything today? Wait, what is this? MRK. Okay, this is a downtrend stock. But how's the performance like so far? Let me see on the monthly chart. Okay, this is actually not bad. Right now it has a huge pullback that type. That possible we might be able to find a setup for MRK, something to keep on your watch list. MRK looks quite good. Well, I can't really see again. Is it an I or what? Wait, let me make this even darker. I think it's DI, right? DIOC. Is it this? Yes. Oh, it's DLO. Okay, DLO. DLO, huh? What are you looking at? Okay, this one, the peak is 2021. Okay, this one looks fine because it has consolidated for a very, very, very long time. Long-term buy. Can. Thank you, Dylan. Oh, you bought it long time ago, is it? If you bought it long time ago, I think it's good though. This actually looks quite good. Because although I don't understand this stock, but I I like this part where it, after it IPO it picked here, and then this whole move it lasts for about 3 years. So 3 years later, usually you see a bit of up move going up at least. You just buy only, huh? What is this stock? What is it about? Do you read about the company? After you explain, I understand a bit. Okay, good. Dylan, that's the very first thing that I always look at, because it's very rare for you to find something that just keep firing off and you don't have that pullback for a long time. Yep, this stock looks good. If you understand the company, definitely can go and invest in this. Oh, fintech payment method. Okay, can. payment method. Okay, we can look at maybe PayPal. Uh, Possible lah, possible. Yep. Right now there's a lot of different types of payment method. Uh, I already lost with everything. There's so much of them though. Yeah, you need to, if you like a company like that, you can go and do more research. Okay, MRK, huh? Something for you guys to keep on your watch list. I think this is good. This MRK looks really, really nice. Okay, maybe I want to type it down. Let me type it down. Number one, MRK. Oh, the CEO is from that company. Yeah, I saw that stock before. But what's the ticker? I can't remember already the ticker. I think I have to type out the full name. Oh, MELI. Okay. The CEO is from this. Okay lah. Maybe this stock looks extremely strong though, like super strong that kind. Yeah, maybe he can bring that DLO to next level. Yeah, the CEO is actually quite important. Usually, if I invest long term in the company, I also go and read up about the CEO, especially the CEO and the CFO. These two you must read up. Yeah, hopefully can fire off, huh? Yeah, right now I'm after April, I bought too much long term investment already. So right now a bit broke, huh? No money to to buy long term investment already. I use up most of my cash, my available cash. Yeah, the CFO is because you want to see how he managed the money and everything, whether he does any money laundry or not, got any bad record and things like that. I'm trying to find for setups. The market went a bit too much already, and right now doesn't looks like there's much setups anywhere though. Hmm. Okay, UAL. How about DAL? Don't looks like it's ready, both of them, but DAL does looks a bit nicer. How about UAL? UAL, yeah, I think I will choose DAL over UAL. Oh, can look BCS. Sorry. BCS. Yeah, something like that. Okay, this one is also okay. This one has been around for a super duper long time, so this is a little bit more different. But for now, right, I don't have a setup for this stock. It went too far already. I definitely need a pullback here before I can enter. No pullback, I will not enter right over here. You enter here can be quite risky though. Um, we can look at weekly. There's no past data. Yeah, weekly maybe can go up a little bit more to about 19.5. Is it 19.5? Oh, 19.6 also quite possible. 19.5 to about 19.6. So there's roughly about 75 cents more to go. Then after that, we might hit resistance. Then this BCS might starts to pull back. Oh, this is Barclays. Oh, what happened? This is the bank, right? The bank stock, right? Wow. Yeah, I think it's quite rare to see a bank stock plunge down for so long though. This is since the 2007 2008 crisis, and then after that it just stuck inside this zone for a very long time. Yeah, normally you don't see bank stock like that. Yep, if you want to trade Barclays, you need to do a bit of research. Yeah, quite shocking to see a bank stock that tanks so much. No wonder it's not in my watch list. Because sometimes I see stock like that, I remove them from my watch list until one day maybe when it hits the news say that something that's good, maybe I will start to add it back. Okay, market will going to open in 1 minute. Yeah, seems like today don't have much opportunity though. I want to, get into Amazon or Nvidia. After that, the only one that I can find is MRK. The rest is like everything went off too much already, way too much. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's go back to SPY. The market is going to open. Oh, open already. Okay, coming down a little for the first minute. Came down. Right now going back up. Okay, let's see. Can we do... Oh, Nvidia is still going up. No zero DTE. Morning, Sush. Long time no see. How are you? Making good profit or not? The market been so strong lately. This morning, I'm trying to, either I'm trying to buy Amazon, not Amazon, AMD or Nvidia, either one of it. Oh, buy two, sell off. Ayo, all this China stock, the only one that move right is actually Tiger Broker. The rest, all of them are coming down. Yep, Baidu, I think it's not ready. A lot of China stocks, they are not ready. So I will skip it. I think likely, maybe even until next week, I don't think I will touch the China stocks. Ah, you go for holiday, my friend. Nice. I'm also going for holiday soon. Where do you go? Where do you go and enjoy? Hey guys, thanks for the like and thanks for the follow, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Okay, right now I need to log in my account. Okay lah, not very good like so slow. Everything is so super slow. Oh, Palantir so off. My god, Palantir so off. Palantir, what happened to you? Holy shit, what is this? Okay, set alarm. Did I move my Palantir to break even or not? Wait, Palantir. Yeah, I moved to break even already, so it's fine. You miss a lot of opportunity, Sush. It's okay lah. Actually, SPY went up a lot, but then if you trade those mega tech stock, they are not moving a lot though. The only one that moves really a lot is Nvidia and AMD. Is Bitcoin going down again? Oh, today I have not checked Bitcoin. I don't see Bitcoin coming down though. I think from here likely maybe can fire off already. Yes, Dylan, maybe today and tomorrow there will be a lot of profit taking, especially tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Friday. Yeah, Wei Tian, I don't think Bitcoin is coming down for one more leg here. I don't see that for now. I do think that you consolidate a little bit more here, I think you'll see the upside already. Okay, Palantir sold off quite badly, huh? What happened to Palantir? Oh, I got out with break even liao. No profit. Let me see. Yes. What happened to Palantir, man? Okay, let me update there. BE. Uh, okay, DOCS, huh? DOCS. Oh, nice. Do you ask about this stock previously? It came into this zone though. Nice. Came into here. After right now, it looks like it's going to go up. But of course, right now, I don't have a setup for DOCS. If you are in it, good for you. Maybe can try to target for higher profits. Looks good. Oh, you bought DOCS at this zone, huh? Yeah. Really? Well, if you bought here, nice, man. Okay, Palantir coming down, a bit higher. Okay lah, okay lah. Not bad, not bad. Okay, Palantir coming down. Prepare to sell put options. Okay, we wait for a little bit more. Then after that, Sush, you asked me about DOCS, huh? Okay, okay, can. So Sush, do you actually buy inside that zone or not? I give you that zone. Do you buy? I don't know who asked because I think this stock is a little maybe quite popular. A lot of them actually ask about this stock. So yeah, this was an extremely nice zone. Now if you buy it here, for you, nice, very 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 nice. Last month you asked, okay, okay. I think that time I just started live streaming not long ago. You sold long term stock. Is it good? Actually, I know nothing about DOCS though. That's why I don't trade it. But there are quite a number of them who came to live stream. I think they trade this stock. That's why I help them to analyze. But so far, just be a little bit careful on this part. The moment DOCS break this high, you might want to tighten up your stop loss a little bit. So in the event if DOCS really sell off or something, at least you can secure some profit. Because after breaking this high, I'm not too sure where it will go. Need more data first. Baba not ready, guys. Baba is definitely not ready. Baba, okay, I give Baba a few tries already, but then it's really not moving. So right now Baba looks like maybe got one more leg coming down to break this low. Right now we are actually on the hourly chart. So breaking this low, I think is actually quite possible for now. Yeah, a lot of those China stocks, they are not moving, but the one that's moving a lot is actually Tiger Broker. I'm not too sure what happened to Tiger Broker though. So you can see there's this like huge spike here. After right now it's gone already lah. So don't buy Tiger Broker, huh? If you buy now, I think will die quite badly. Palantir, I also not sure though. No news. I don't think there's any news about Palantir. But then we suddenly got a sold off. But this sold off, right? It looks a bit like, you see, looks like it comes and retest trend line. Then maybe from here it will fire off. Okay, wait. I want to take a look at Tesla. Yeah, I want to close this option off. This Tesla is not doing well. But okay, at least now spike down a bit, but then not going down too much. I will set the alarm at 320. That's my threshold already. Anything more than that, I will close it off. Yeah, guys, if you are interested in China stock, I think you have to wait until the following week. Right now, doesn't look very strong though. A lot of them, it looks like there's more downside than up. Ayo, AMD. My god, my 0 DTE gone 了. Yes, AMD can hold, brother. Can hold AMD. Don't let it go, okay? I also have long-term investment in AMD. I'm looking for AMD to break the all-time high here. I have a lot of faith in this stock. Okay, I will hold until, I think maybe all the way until this all-time high. If breaking 200 okay lah. 200 I think quite reasonable. But for me, I target the all-time high at about, I think 227, around there. Yeah, I bought AMD at quite a good price, I think. How much did I bought? I bought at $95, $95, somewhere here, this low here. Not bad, not bad. I think it was a bit late because I bought NVIDIA first, then after I came to buy AMD. It's good, man. Can buy AMD now, cannot lah, brother. Right now you are chasing already, and we have already hit the 145 resistance. So from here, right, I think likely we might see some pullback. And this week, okay, wait guys, let me see the calendar. Today what date? Okay. Okay, because do you all know that the sweeping tariff that Donald Trump announced is going to be finalized on the 9th of July. So next week to the following week might be a little bit risky. Yeah, because they has this thing they pause for 90 days, right? So it ends on 9th of July. So by that, I don't know what will happen to the market, but I do think like Donald Trump, I think he will flip prata again or change his mind. Then after that, something might happen. I don't think he'll honor the deadline. No, Sush, that 2851, right, that put option, I already TP long ago. Then after that, I went to I sold another one at 337. So right now I'm actually in the money already. So if and it's going to expire on the 3rd of July. So I have roughly about 1 week. Then after that, if that's the case, I don't want to get assigned for Tesla. I don't think Tesla is a good stock. Yeah, a lot of things I can get assigned, but really not Tesla. Yes, Tesla, when you spike here, I think I got about 70% profit. I think 70 or 70 plus. I remember I closed right at here. Then after that, when it starts to, I think, come down a little bit, I sold one more at 337.5. So right now, I'm actually negative lah, but then I shouldn't have done that. I've forgotten about this thing is that you want to sell a put option is better during the pullback. So this is definitely not a pullback lah. It's my mistake on my part. So right now, this loss for this very, very last position is it far exceeds my profit from here though. So I'm actually losing money on this part. Yeah, but of course, close over here is quite solid lah. Okay, Visa trigger, is it? Let's see. Hey, Visa coming. Okay, wait, little bit more, okay? Nice, nice. Visa triggered now. Okay, I will come back to Visa shortly. We still have time. LVMH. LVMH. What is this? Okay, bro. I think if you want to trade this stock, right, maybe you can do something like that. You know, you go to the 4 hours, then you draw this trend line, something like that. So if you see a breakout or something, then maybe you can go and start to look into buy. But as of right now, is in a downtrend. Though this downtrend lasted for a very long time already. This is like since March 24. So it's about one. Is it March 24? Oh no, April 23. April 23. So I don't know when it will start to recover. So it has been in this downtrend for two years already. Yeah, that's why be a little bit more careful for this stock, I think. Adobe, huh? Adobe, no opportunity, nothing. This stock also the same thing, downtrend for a very long time. You see, it peaked here in January 24. Right now, it's just doing this. So for now, I don't see opportunity here. Yup, even right now, it looks like it's going to go down more than it's going up. Yeah, and right now we are actually on the 4-hour chart. This one looks like it will come down a little bit more. Why AMD? Why? Why never give me an opportunity to get in? Okay, what is Apple doing? Spike up and then come down again. How about SPY? SPY is still going up. Good. QQQ. Still going up. Good. Okay, Nvidia. Nvidia, did it make a new high? I can't tell though. Okay, 157. This one is 157 is equal high. This two is equal. This high and this high is exactly the same. Is it because my computer lag or what? No, right? Yes, it's exactly the same. Yes, I saw the news on Nike. I think they have earnings, is it? Is it earnings? Yes, earnings. Because of earnings, it went up. Nice. Hope Trump give us another chance to enter again. Yeah, guys, I can only tell you the following week, right? I think there will be a lot of news regarding all that tariff and everything starting from next week, because the deadline is actually on the 9th of July. And I think next week, everything will start to ding ding dong dong, and I don't know what will happen to the market. I think the market can be a little bit more volatile from there. Just be careful on that part. Okay, Richard, CRCL, right? I really can't advise you much on this stock because right now, minimally, I see that it actually fulfilled my rule already. So after IPO, the first leg up, consolidate a bit, one more leg up, and usually it might be over already. Then this one can start to go down. So unless you are using a cash account, maybe can try a little bit. But as of right now, it does looks like it will come down even more. Unless what I see on the 1 hour is it starts to chop here for a very very long time, maybe like 1 month or something. Then maybe you can buy for one more leg up. But if you don't see this consolidation, I think it's better that you give it a skip. Even if you want to try, maybe you can try to wait. Maybe it comes back to about the IPO level or below. Then you try to buy again. Yeah, then you also can go and look at Cathy Wood. portfolio, see whether she booked profit already or not. Okay, Visa. Is Visa good or not? Okay, Visa not bad. Okay, we might take Visa today. Okay, great. How about Master? We take a look at Master. You can choose either one of it. I think I will choose Visa. I prefer Visa. Hello, Random. Nice to see you again. Okay. Oh, Cathy Wood booked her profit already, is it? Did she book her profit for CRCL? Let's see. Is it loading? Eh? CRCL she bought again, huh? I think Cathy Wood bought again. Initially, I remember I saw she bought it at $150. Then I remember she got like 100% ROI. But I think she bought again at 214. Oh, maybe she liked this stock a lot. Well, what happens to Palantir, guys? Is there some bad news regarding Palantir? How come it tanks so much? No news for Palantir. Visa, I see a opportunity there. Where is it, huh? Okay, we are breaking out already. Okay, we are breaking out soon. Something to consider for a long. That's the only one I spot today. I think no more already. Oh yes, one more. MRK. Okay, not ready. MRK is not ready. MRK, I think maybe next week, something to keep on your watch list. So we go back to Visa. Can we buy Visa or not? Okay, Visa looks good. I like it. This one looks quite powerful. Okay, the rest of our stock are all moving very, very slowly. Wow, guys, did you get stop out for Apple or you are still in it? Because mine, I didn't get stop out. It came so close to our stop loss. QCOM finally moving. Okay, Visa. We wait for a little bit more. If there's a confirmation, I will buy Visa. Let me see here. Okay, Richard, Apple, right? You have to be a little bit more careful because they have like this fraud news, right? Right? APL. Yeah, and I think Apple, there's actually a deadline for them also. When is the deadline, huh? Let me see. Yeah, the day I saw a deadline for them, but I don't remember what's the date. Because I think they overpromised their Siri function or feature. Then after that, I think someone actually sued them. Then I think they have to pay millions of dollars. From chart, you think it's converging? This one, huh? Is it this? The descending triangle. This one? Yes, but for now it looks like it's not going to fulfill a descending triangle, because a descending triangle usually you will see one more leg down. But right now, doesn't look like we will have this leg coming down. I think more likely it looks like it's going to go up instead. But going up to where, this one I'm not too sure, because I'm actually in position already, and my very first target is about 226. Hopefully this apple can go though. I'm inside for a while now, and it's not moving. Okay guys, I'm actually also quite interested in Palantir. Palantir tanked a lot suddenly. Like out of a sudden. Can I find an area to buy Palantir now? Hmm. Now it's about 10 o'clock. Okay. Maybe Palantir, huh? I will try to sell a put option. Maybe sell one at about 133. 133 is the premium good or not? Let's see. It looks like not bad leh. The IV super high. Random. The IV for Palantir super duper high. Like 100% for 14 days. 28 days. 28 days is still okay. This Palantir I might try one. 133. Hopefully it can come down a little bit more. Maybe I will try at least about 133. Then for 14 days. Okay, we go back to Visa. Go back to Visa first. I think Visa is ready. Okay, Visa looks ready. Okay, time to enter Visa. 347. Okay. 343.5. Can I will enter Visa now. Okay, TP for Visa. About, okay, I'll set it higher, about 365. Okay, done. Did I miss any comments? Okay, you bought some 0DT on Spy and cash out. Ah, nice, nice, nice. Wow, Roderick, huh? No, 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 no. Richard, I didn't buy Palantir. I want to sell a put option for Palantir. I'm thinking 133. Okay, I'm just waiting, waiting for maybe another 15 to 30 minutes. I want to see what Palantir does first. Yes, Amazon finally going already. Nice. Yes, Amazon flying off liao. Okay, next target about 229. Yes, Richard, I just bought Visa. Just only. I like it. Go, 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 Visa, go. Don't come back anymore. But Visa like a little bit difficult to get filled. Just now I need to adjust the price a bit. Yes, I want to sell put for Palantir. I'm waiting, okay? I'm waiting a little bit. The 14 days one looks good though. Hey, Random, are you here or not? Random. Yeah, I want to sell a put option for Palantir. I want to sell at 133. Don't know what happened to Palantir, huh? Okay, here. Is there? Okay, this one is the latest news already. 16. Okay, cannot load. My god. Okay, cannot load. Is there any new news coming in for Palantir? Let me check. No, like this one shouldn't be a. This one should be a good news, what? Palantir team up with the nuclear company to develop an AI-driven nuclear operating system aimed at making US reactor construction faster, safer, and more predictable. This is good news, right? How come Palantir so off? Yes, it's 14 days. That's why the premium is not a lot lah. But at least, for 14 days, I think it's actually not bad. Why switch? Which one? What will you buy if you are me? What will you buy? Will you buy the 30 days one? 45 days? Hello, Jonathan, my friend. Spy back at peak already. Yes, my friend. Spy is good lah. The market is damn good. Damn good, brothers. Okay. First resistance hits at 615. So just be a little bit more careful on this part. And Spy make new all-time high Okay, guys, I think if you have some profit, good profit, can secure a little bit. Okay, just remember in 2 weeks' time, the sweeping tariff will have all the finalized answer. But I think by then, Donald Trump will try to delay it again. Hopefully, the market will react well. Roderick, you also got in Visa. Nice, nice. Let's go. Okay, don't trade against me, okay, guys? Everyone buy together. We push the market, okay? Even by $1 is also good. I know, Roderick, you're my fans, okay? You always support me. We push the market together. Although our funds is not a lot. Okay, just now I took partial profit for Amazon already, right? Oh yes, earlier I took some partial profits for Amazon. Okay, so right now we scan through those that we have. MSTR, just let it be. Nothing to do over here really. For MSTR, just let it run. As long as Bitcoin is going up, I think MSTR will follow. Disney, where's my Disney? Okay, Disney still going up. Good. No need to do anything. Yes, Sush. A lot of people also say around that 30-day range is the best. But for me, I like to sell the short one. If I sell those shorter time frame, right, I can sell every week. I don't want to wait for 1 month, then I sell another one. I want to sell every week. Okay, not bad, not bad. Palantir at least looking like it's not going to tank further from here. I might sell a put option for Palantir at 133 for 2 weeks. What stock you buying? Tantan, I bought Visa. I just bought only Visa. Okay, Palantir, don't go away. Okay, I'm going to sell a put option for Palantir now, just for 14 days. Where's my 133? Now become $3 only. Just now $3 plus though. OK 啦，有钱赚好过没有钱赚，对不对？Let's see the 14 days one. The 14 days the IV is extremely high though. Just now I thought I saw like 120%, but right now dropped to 100% only. Come on. $30 let's see. Okay, I saw one that's 28 days, $5.35. How about 35 days? $6.60. You saw 14 days was 40-ish. No, if you look at the 14 days here, the 14 days is 133, strike 133 is 101% for the IV. It's extremely high though. Why are you selling Palantir put option? Oh, I want to collect premium. And I don't mind getting a sign at about 133 area. I still believe that Palantir can keep going up. So while it starts to come down, if it starts to come down, then maybe I will go and collect the premium. Then after that, I will just buy the stock here once I get a sign or something. Then if it doesn't come down, right, I will, if Palantir starts to move off from here, then I will maybe about 70% profit on my premium. I will just close it off. So you're trying to make money both ways. 14 days. Should I do 14 days or not? Right now the price dropped again. Just now was high though. Just now the premium was about $3 plus. Now left with $2.98. IBKR shows 48%. Now 43. Why yours and mine so different? Is my broker lag or what? Wait, let me close my broker and reopen again. Okay, let me see again. No, this one is 0 days. Wait. 133. Oh yes, Sush, you are right. My one is about 53%. 53%. I think just now there was some issue with my app. I think it jammed. Yeah, 53%. Like that's still okay lah. Oh, your IBKR, you subscribe to real time. Nice. Okay lah, maybe I sell the 28 days one. Okay, because my Mumu, right, I have the don't know level 2 or level 3 data and everything though, so mine also should be real time. But sometimes I do realize that my app will hang. I'm using Mumu. I like Mumu. Mumu for trading, IBKR for long-term investment. Okay, I set the alarm here. If Palantir can drop below here at about 137.66, I will come back and take a look to see whether I want to sell any put option or not. Because right now it still can be a little bit early, and you can use this as a reference somewhere around here. You can see that you have a huge candle coming down. After that, you just wait for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more hours, right, before it bottoms and then start this rally. So I also think that Palantir possible, you give it another 2 hours, 3 hours, it might come down even further. Well, I don't know why Palantir dropping. Just now I read the news. This is something they team up with one of the company to make something about AI-driven system for nuclear power. It should be a good news, but I don't know why it dumped. If not, this is your alert wave, expanding flat, and then from here it can go up. So somehow right now it looks like, coming back to retest the trend line, after we break out, go already, come back, retest, and then starts to fire off. Something a little bit similar to one of the instrument that we have. Is it Amazon? Not Amazon, right? What was the chart that we saw, huh? Is it Apple? Also something a little bit like what Apple is doing now. Something like you broke out, retest, after that it starts to go. Is our Visa doing good or not? Okay lah, normal lor. Can Visa just fire off? Go, don't come back anymore, just go. Okay, MRK is the next one that I like. Wait, MRK might be coming today, huh? Okay, MRK is if you buy MRK with me, right, you are actually trading against the trend, huh? So from here you can see, right, we are in a huge downtrend. But then why I pick MRK is because I like this part. This part, it looks like a impulse, a correction, and then another impulse to go up. And this impulsive wave might be the start of, you know, relief rally, or this one might really seriously fire off like AMD. That's why I'm quite interested in MRK. Consider selling meta puts. The up down price can day trade the premium high too. Okay, Sush, meta keeps going up though. Even if you do you sell put when meta is when it's trending up like that? Do you sell the put? Consider meta put. Sush, another high risk guy. Like to play with fire. The 0 DTE one is actually not bad, huh? Let's see. How many days you want to sell for? And where is your strike? You want to strike at where? Then you can TP fast if go up after you buy. Roll the rig, you also do that, huh? All the high risk people. Wow, this meta, the premium is damn high. Damn high. Yeah, sometimes. Only the high risk people come to the live stream. Strike price, you the best to answer. Wow, I cannot lah. Meta, I don't know where to buy the strike though. If for me, the conservative one maybe about 720. But 720, if the 720 you sell 28 days put, the premium is $15.80. But guys, really, this coming 2 weeks, okay? Relax a little bit, okay? Don't be too aggressive. Remember, okay? Sweeping tariff is going to end on the 9th of July. Okay, from there, we don't know what will happen. And I think next week, there will be a lot of discussion about tariff again. We'll start to see all the tariff news. 690. 690, let me see. You are talking about this part. 690 is quite low though. I don't think meta will come to 690. I think likely maybe about 705. Because 690 is quite low. 690 is let me zoom in for you. 690 is somewhere here though. Yeah, somewhere here. It's like this zone, you know. It's quite far away. Because from here, right, you more or less you can tell about 705 around there. Why 705 is because if I drop down to the 1 hour I show you, 705, you just put a horizontal line. You see how nicely it actually touch. I change it to green color. You see, you have one touch here. Okay, you have one more touch here. Here got one, here got one, here got one, and this one came so close. So I think 705 quite a strong support. Oh, you are talking about resistance. 690 resistance. Oh, I think you are talking about support. Yeah, I think maybe 705 should be quite a good support. Okay, how about Tesla? Tesla, where is Tesla? Where's my Tesla? Okay, who is that? Okay, option Tesla. I don't know what to tell you, but okay. I like this thing about Tesla is that it consolidated like that. Okay, after that, what it does, it came all the way down, breaking the previous low just by a little bit. Okay, breaking by a little bit. This one looks like when you learn about smart money concepts, they call the liquidity sweep. So something like, they sweep the low, take out everyone's stop loss. After that, from here, it starts to fire off. Okay, at least this part, I still like it a little bit. Zoom out on hourly. There's a triangle for Tesla. Zoom out a little bit. Tesla got no triangle. No triangle. 100% no triangle. If you talk about triangle, right, this is your valid triangle. After that, if you are talking about this, from here you connect like this, then this you connect like that. I don't think this is a triangle. For now, it still doesn't look like it. Look like it, unless Tesla. You see Tesla coming to here, maybe starts to come down like that. And then maybe I will draw this triangle. But as of right now, I don't think so. No risk. Okay, guys. I go to the washroom first, okay? I'm so urgent. I come back shortly. Okay, one moment. Oh, so much comments right there. Uh, Hello, my friends. How's your put, my friend? My Tesla put still negative, eh? Still negative. Uh, but I'm waiting, I'm waiting. You know, Tesla this part. If Tesla can come up to maybe about 332, maybe I will decide to cut it off. But right now it's not looking good. It's really not looking good. Okay, although over here, you know, it make a small new low, but I don't know whether it can fire off from here or not. So I don't have much hope for Tesla. I just want to, you know, try to minimize my loss a little bit. Yes, Meta, such the Meta premium damn juicy. Next time, maybe when you know, Meta starts to pull back, I will look into selling the put option. The premium is juicy. 35 days, 705, $21. Sush, are you going to do that? 705. Eh, 705 705 705 30 plus 30 plus days. I think possible though, but okay. I think I will be a little bit more conservative for these 2 weeks, okay? Because of the tariff, the sweeping tariff is going to be announced anytime soon. Okay, we don't know what will happen. Hopefully we don't go back to like, you know, this period. If we go back to this period, wow, I tell you, you get a sign, I think I will cry at you. I think I will shut down the whole live stream. I don't want to trade anymore already. I will die, man, if I get a sign for this. But of course, I don't think we will reach until that extent. But just be a little bit more careful because market can be a little bit more volatile. 3% for 1 month, not that great actually. Okay, hymns. Cyberpunk, I'm back. Cyberpunk, are you still here? Sorry, I went to the toilet. Oh, yo, nice. So why did it drop? What happened? Okay, it came into the zone but then didn't respect it and then it fired off. Sometimes it does. Daily, how's the daily? Oh, daily looks strong though. Daily looks super strong. And this huge gap down, how far is this? Let me see. This is like 30 over percent. Okay. Hymns, minimally, it does looks like this is a relief rally, but I'm not too sure whether is it or not. So you can wait for a little bit. If you do see that it starts to pull back or something, maybe you can try to buy. NVO terminate partnership. NVO terminate partnership. Oh, okay. Understood. Is the fundamental of this company strong? Because if it is, actually this is actually quite a good area to buy. But I don't know about this company. Yep, for now, do you buy anything? Cyberpunk, if you did not and you are interested, you can wait for a pullback. A small pullback before you start buying. Oh, the rich kid. Yeah, I just want the premium, okay? I don't want to get assigned. That's my ultimate goal. Don't assign me. Okay, I can buy the stock myself. Don't have to assign me. Please don't disappear. We fight together. Can, Richard? Why, Richard, you also interested to sell a call, sell a put for Meta, is it? Okay lah, the premium is high, but then I don't want to get assigned. I don't mind. Okay, because you know, Meta, the premium is very high, right? What you can do is that you can go and sell something that the strike is even lower. So no matter how, as long as you don't get assigned, you still get the money, what? correct? The ultimate goal is not to get assigned, is to collect premium. If me, okay, because after you introduce me Meta, I think my plan for Meta is that even if I know support is at about 705, I go and if I want to sell a put, I will sell something lower. I want to make sure I won't get assigned. Okay, I collect a little bit lower premium, no issue. Because what I do is that if this stock were to come here, I don't want to get assigned. I want to, collect the premium first. After I see an impulse going up when we have a pullback, then I start buying myself. Yeah, maybe we can look into that, huh? But that's the thing, that sweeping tariff is bothering me. So I'm thinking like, be conservative a little bit. Meta, we take a look, huh? If I buy something 28 days, okay, I buy something at 690. 690 is all the way down here. Like. You see 690 for 28 days, huh? It's $7.17. It's actually not bad. I don't think you will get a sign. This is like super far away. Yeah, okay, Brave Hearts. Nvidia terminate partnership. No. Just now the stock is HIMS, HIMS, terminate the partnership with who, huh? With NVO, Nova Dis or something. 0TTE won't assign you, don't worry. Random, if you 0DTE, you will sell at where? 0DTE, you collect a few cents every day. Actually good idea, huh? Actually not bad. This one like copy money. But it's not worth it, huh? You can collect for many days, like copy money, all that. But then one day for certain, you will suddenly see, a catalyst like that time the Iraq war, tariff, suddenly maybe interest rate, the thing can shook, you will get assigned though. Unless you sell very far, then the one like go drink Starbucks already. But for me, if you collect many months of getting small premium, what you think of RI? What stock is this? RI. Arrive AI. Braveheart likes to trade all the AI stock. Braveheart, I will tell you, leave it out. I'll leave it out. This one way too new. Is it very new? Yes, it's very new. It's only about 1 month plus. Do you understand this stock? Well, because I have no idea how you guys trade those IPO stock though. Do you all read about the company or you all like have any knowledge about them? Brihad, do you have any knowledge about this stock, or you simply just find IPO stocks and try to trade them? Yeah, because for me, uh, I don't think this one will continue to have another leg up, at least breaking here. I don't see that for now. I do think that it will start to slowly chop down here. Something like this one over here before you get another small spike again. This stock, is it just IPO? How come there's data back in 2004 or that. Is it because it got delisted or something? Then after that, right now it got listed again. Maybe you can check though, because when I look at the chart, there are some datas in this area. This is all the way back to 2006. Can we see? Yeah, even on the 1 hour chart, you can see there's some data. So arrive AI, okay. Let me see. Arrive AI, arrive AI 2006. Yeah, you can check, maybe using DeepSeek, Perplexity AI, ChatGPT, or that. There was no. Okay, at least over here they say nothing significant happened. Incorporated much later. Oh, I think they changed their company name. Maybe they also changed their business model. Yeah, because if you want to trade this, I would recommend that you try to go and read more about this company first. For now, you can see, right? So if I put on the horizontal line, I just put on somewhere around here. You can see you have like one touch here, one more touch inside here, and right now you are like facing resistance already. Then possible from here, this one might start to go down. No risk, Braveheart. Okay, analyst on RBRK. RBRK. Okay lah, this stock looks good though. So from here you can see this is another type of stock that the IPO in April 2024. Then after that, what it does over here is that you can see, right, after IPO, straight away dump. Then after it consolidates for a while until this low is about October 24. This is like the shortest, one of the shortest one that I have seen so far. Usually this consolidation, it lasts about 6 months to about 3-4 years. So this is actually a short one. After it became so super strong though. You see this from here, just 6 months of consolidation in this area, and it started firing off. So possible, this one maybe got more potential. Random, you want to buy this? Okay, if you want to buy this, I would definitely ask you to wait for more consolidation, because this consolidation is way too small for such a huge move. Because this move is like, how many percent? This is like 130%. 130% later, I don't think this consolidation will be done so fast. I think likely you'll see something like here chop a little bit, come down. If not, here go up. After that, it will come down again before that rally starts. If you have this amount of money, is one thing. Second is, the small premiums might not even cover these losses if you don't want to be assigned. The small premium might not even cover. Okay, what's my take on Sophie? Oh, nice. This is beautiful. Nice. I think Sophie can easily break this all-time high here. Shouldn't be much of an issue. Sophie is one of the stock that when it starts to move, it's so strong that kind. Like wouldn't stop that kind. Keep going and going and going non-stop. Yeah, if you're in Sophie, can try lah, huh? Can try to target the all-time high before you decided to book some partial profit. Okay, Braveheart, no worries, no worries. I see today is circuit breaker 3 times already. Braveheart, what do you mean by circuit breaker 3 times already? This one is which one? I'm actually confused already. I think there's too much comments until I mix up. Maybe I mix up something. Ah, okay. Means it reaches the limit and goes into circuit breaker. Yes, correct. This is the like the usual norm that you see in a lot of stock. Even if you go back to, I'm not sure. I think Nvidia you don't see that. If I'm not wrong, Nvidia you don't see that. Uh, we can go back and try. Yeah, it's all the way. Okay, the Nvidia chart is like so long ago though. Okay, Nvidia is not that. You can see right, even after Nvidia IPO, it went up, consolidate, then after that, one more leg up. After it starts to crash already, then stuck here for a long time. But Nvidia is not a very good example because it rose up quite quickly. But if you look at some other stock, is Tesla also the same thing? Let's see Tesla. Tesla does. Let's see this part. Okay, Tesla don't have that type of move. How about Apple? Apple. Apple maybe. No. It's because my chart haven't loaded yet. Okay, wow. Apple incorporated so long ago. Okay. Yeah, even for Apple on the weekly chart, right, you can see, although these are data that are super long ago, like 1981 area, but you can see right after IPO, it went up, after it crashed down, went up, after it crashed again, before the huge moves starts. And this crashing down alone, this one lasts for like the year of 1983, June, all the way until about August 1985. So roughly about 2 years. Even right now, Apple is such a strong stock. It's still consolidated for a very long time. But you can try to look for something that is a little bit newer. Okay, SMCI I also think is not very new if I'm not wrong. Yeah, SMCI is a long time ago, back in 2007 already. What else can we look at? How about CrowdStrike? CrowdStrike also don't have this like phenomenal. Yeah, CrowdStrike only did this. It's a very small one, like over here. So after IPO, one move go up. After it starts to tank, this is like August 19 all the way until March 20. So this is also another short one, about 6 months. What stock do I have that? Okay, maybe we can look at all the small and mid cap stock. How about Celsius? Celsius recently is very popular, right? Celsius is something that you can look at, okay? So Celsius, you can see over here, right? Huge spike up. After that, it starts to tank all the way, consolidated here for a super duper long time. Okay, this consolidation, I don't even know how long it lasts, all the way until where it starts to move again. I will say somewhere around here. So this consolidation from the high is about February 2007 all the way until January 15. So this is like 7 years or something though. This is actually very, very long. But recently, I think Celsius is extremely strong. A lot of people have been talking about it. That's when Steve got back. Okay, okay, understood. Uh, Random. Thought Apple premium are shit cost totally not volatile. Just check. Star Platinum. This is Trading View. Trading View is a very popular charting platform. Sophie is very strong, super strong. Okay, Sophie, just let it go. Let it break the all-time high. It's going, my friends. It's not stopping. Sophie, one good lesson also. I can go down to 4 hours. I show you this part. I think Sophie, there's a very, very good lesson here. So if you look at Sophie, right, can you see that I put on this red color horizontal line? So this is actually like my resistance. Why? Because there's like one touch here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But of course, guys, whenever you trade like support and resistance, do look at them. That is something that is not like absolute. Price sometimes will not respect your support or your resistance, and for Sophie this is the very good example that it didn't even respect resistance and it broke off right away. And then the next level, if you are in Sophie, right, I think the next level you can target try to target the all-time high. From here, then maybe you can consider see what you want to take some partial profit or not. No restart platinum. Okay, regarding the Apple and Meta thing, right? I think if you are calculating on the part where how many percent you are going to make per month, all that, I think Apple should be much better. But Meta, is for high risk people. Okay, Apple still not moving. It's really not moving, not going anywhere, just hovering around the same area. My God. Kingsley. Yes, it's a quiet day, Braveheart. Very, very quiet. Okay, Kingsley, I'm trading stocks. Okay, most of the time I'm trading stocks. Once in a while, I will trade Bitcoin, only Bitcoin. No meme coins, no nothing, no forex, no commodities. But I used to trade forex, used to trade commodities, but I have stopped long time ago. Lost a lot on those. Can Star Platinum FTRK. FTRK. What happened to you, my friend? Why you lost a lot? Okay, bro. This is the thing that I always talk about. Braveheart. Just now, I think you asked about one stock, right? I can't remember the ticker, but you might see something like that. IPO spike up, tank down. This one maybe give you the confidence that this part tells you that it might wants to go up or something like that. But usually those newly IPO stocks this is actually the fake move. Then after it will start to dump down, then here it will consolidate for a long time, maybe 6 months to about 3 years. But in between, of course, you do see like a bit of spike up, a bit of spike up, and more or less, I think that's it already. Yeah, then usually that's the reason why I don't trade IPO stock, because I don't understand. I don't understand how it works. I look at a lot of them. I couldn't come up with a strategy or a conclusion that can give me a higher probability of winning. That's why I don't trade. Although if you want, I can take a look for you. Then no issue. Yep, Star Platinum for me, this fast track group, I will be a little bit more careful about this stock. Okay, unless you're someone who you use a cash account, you don't mind holding it for years because you understand the fundamental of you understand the fundamental of the company, and you believe that maybe in the next few years, it will become the next Palantir, the next Nvidia, that kind. Go ahead and invest them using a cash account. But then if you're using a margin account for trading, try to avoid this lah. Yeah, if when you come to live stream enough, you'll see me talking about this all the time. Then next is RGC. We go to the daily first. Okay, RGC. Okay, RGC is a very special one. So after IPO, maybe I can expand the chart. Oh my god, where's the data? Expand this part. Okay, can you see the same phenomena in RGC or not? What you all see over here? Let me show you again. Okay, after IPO, spike up, come down. This one gives you the confidence that it will start to go up, right? After that, what happens? It crashes all the way down. Then in between, what you see a huge spike. And that's it already. Then after that, tank down again for a long time before another huge spike. So this is like the thing that I always see in this chart. And then if you look at this again, after this current high, okay, you look at this. This is August 2021, and then it drops all the way until here. This is February 25 though. So after that, this whole consolidation lasted for about 4 years, okay, which is the norm. The norm is about 6 months to about 4 years. But after, what happens over here is that after this huge spike, right, you don't see a move like up, then after it consolidate, it goes up, then consolidate, then after that it goes up again. You don't see that. Instead, you see something like a spike up and then spike down. This type, I will tell you, avoid totally. Just remove it from your watch list. If you trade stocks like that, I think you will lose more money than you make. Okay, then we can go to the next one. HOVR. Okay, this one still looks a little bit better. Let me see. Okay, bro, this one also avoid. Okay. Why? After IPO, okay, it doesn't spike a lot, although it does move up a bit. After, what happens? It tank all the way down and consolidate for a long time. If you look at the peak again, this is January 24, and right now we are in June 25. So if you know the norm is roughly about 6 months to 4 years, what can you expect? You can expect this stock to chop around here, give you one spike, then come all the way down, chop around here. After a while, it give you one more spike, then come down, chop around here. So maybe this whole thing, if you really know the company or something, you can wait for another 3 years or something, then you come back and look at this chart. Yeah, because I do a lot of technical analysis, and I always go back to the latest data that I can see, and I analyze from there. Yeah, so bro, if you want okay, in trading, I do believe in consistently making profits rather than trying to get rich overnight. So for example, right, You can open charts like, let's say, NVIDIA. NVIDIA, if you go to the weekly, right, you can only see one thing, which is really, really simple. If you just zoom out, right, what can you see? An uptrend. Is it clear? This is very, very clear. It's an uptrend, right? After that, you go to, let's say, Apple. Apple, one look at Apple, what can you tell? Uptrend. And then if you go to Amazon, what can you see again? One look, this is an uptrend stock. So I ask you, which one is actually easier to trade for you? Definitely all these mega tech stock, right? Although they doesn't give you, like super high ROI within 1 year or something, but it's the consistency that you survive in the market, and then you'll make money in the long run. And I can show you this part. Okay, this is something that I used to convince myself lah, huh? Let me use the compound interest calculator. Okay, we use this. I like to use this calculator. Come on, load please. Okay, a lot of people think that you need to make 10%, 28% a month to make money in the market. Actually, no, you don't need so much. You only need roughly about 5% per month. You are more than good enough already. Why? Because let me calculate for you. You look at the figures over here. Don't look at the amount. Don't look at how much is the money, but look at the 5% monthly rate. If you make 5% a month, you compound every single month, right? Every single month you make an average of about 5%. By the end of 1 year, you already make almost 80%. 80% growth on your account. This is like no instruments out there is going to give you this amount. Okay, for me, if I can make this, I'm extremely happy already. If 1 year I can make 20% in my overall account, I'm super duper happy. Because usually if you can make 20% in 1 year, you beat the market already. S&P doesn't even, most of the time, it doesn't even make more than 20%, except for the last 2 years. The last 2 years is very, very strong, so about 25% each. Okay, because of this, I miss a lot of comment, huh? One moment, guys. Yeah, I hope this can help you a little bit lah. Okay, Kingsley, you love the concept. Good. Yeah, try not to, chase the hype, chase all the shiny object. Just be consistent, keep doing the same thing over and over again. Do something that you understand. Rather than, go and guess, go and buy something that you totally don't understand at all. Alright, okay, yes, Braveheart. Coin, please. Coin is good. Pulling back. Okay, it's normal, okay? Coin went up really way too much. So if you want, you can try to look at this area. So this is like your, your FVG, your fair value gap. So this is about how much? Let me see. This is about 334 to about 318, this zone. Maybe you can wait for about this level to see whether there's any signs of rejection or not. I also don't know what happened to Palantir, friends. Palantir keep tanking down. No idea what happened. Okay, like I said, okay, give Palantir a few more hours before you try to sell any put option. Yeah, I don't think this is ready, but we have a very, very nice support at this trend line. So this trend line support is about maybe 135.6. So I can set an alert on this trend line. Then just wait for it to be triggered. So if it's triggered, maybe I'll be interested to look at Palantir again. Yeah, so far, just now when I checked, there's no bad news about Palantir. They even talk about, partner up with another company to do some AI-driven nuclear power, but Palantir tank instead. No idea why. Yes, Braveheart is a hit and run strategy. Yes, correct. But those IPO stock, you want to hit and run can, but try to use a cash account. Try not to use a margin account. Star Platinum, you all stuck. Okay, okay. Uh, do you buy at very very high price, or somewhere near the low? Because if you are somewhere near the low, I think you still can maybe get out with break even or make a little bit of money. But if you buy at the high, is actually up to your own trading plan. So you need to see whether you want to get out or not. Then go and put your money somewhere else. You bought snow, it looks weak. Okay, Tan Tan bought snow. High enough, I won't exit till 3 years plus. Okay, okay, can stop Platinum. If you have a plan, that's good, that's good. Yeah, because I do have a lot of friends who bought stocks like they don't understand the company lah. Then after they went to buy already, they stuck inside for a lot of years, that kind. 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. For me, these are all opportunity costs. A long time ago, I told them to cut the loss, but they doesn't want to. Until now, it's so painful that they told me no point to cut already. I only left a few $100. Yeah, Star Platinum, you need to go and plan. As long as you have a plan, I think you will be fine. Okay, so who asked about... Hey, where's that comment? Snow. Oh, Tan, you bought snow. Looks weak now. Yes. Tan, I think the overall market might start to pull back a little bit, especially tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think we will see even more pullback. Okay, Kingsley. Nice one. I'm loving it. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for the follow. Random meta delta is 35. Thoughts on Lulu? Okay, Lulu, same thing. I think Lulu, the hype is also over. The reason is because if I go up to the daily chart, right? Lulu, where did Lulu top? Okay, because Lulu, right? If you look at, I think we go up to the weekly chart. If not, the data is quite compressed. Lulu is top here, okay? But then we have been in this whole range for a very, very, very long time now. So if you look at this is about 4 years already. But I do like one part is about Lulu is actually this. If we go down to the daily time frame, it broke this low though. It broke this low. I like it. That's like the bare minimum. So after breaking of this low, we go up to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is another stock that I will advise try to avoid for when was the earnings? Okay, June. I think you can try to avoid for at least a few more weeks. Usually what you see is that after earnings, when it dump, okay, especially when it beats earnings and you don't see a relief rally over here, like at least pulling back, usually this can continue for a very, very long time. Sometimes 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, okay, before eventually it will start to go up a little bit. So Lulu, if you are looking to buy over here, I wouldn't recommend. I will say, try to stay out for a little bit first. You bought 252, 252, I think not far lah. 252 not far. But going back there, I can't tell for sure as of right now, because right now it does looks like more downside. If I zoom in the 1 hour for you, the 1 hour looks a little bit like a bear flag. So possible you might get one more leg down. I see a trend in Q4, it will be a rise. You think this year Q4 will have? Oh, you see that kind of trend like Q4 You mean Q4 for the overall market or Q4 for Lulu? Q4, okay, Q4 over here, it went up for Lulu. Oh, Lulu, huh? Can. We can try to see. I think I missed. Oh, no, no, this is 4 period. I saw already. Okay. 3, the Q4 also go up. 2. Okay, year 2022 Q4 also go up. 21 Q4 also go up. Oh, nice, huh, brother? You notice this type of trend. Very, very nice. Okay, November 2020 Q4 also go up. Okay, 2020 we done. How about 2019? Okay, 2019 the Q4 also go up. How about 2018? Okay, this is one time. Now, after so many years, about 7-8 years of data, only in Q3 of 2018 it went down. It went down for the whole of Q4 of 2018. Other than that, yeah, I think you have a higher odds lah. Maybe Q4 will start to go up. Lulu always like that, huh? Okay, do you trade this stock very often? Because if you do trade them very often, usually you will notice something about them. Okay, not bad. You still have about 4 more months until we reach Q4. Okay, I'm actually quite interested in the 2024, end of 2024. I want to see what it does, especially during the Christmas rally, that period. Oh, good, nice. Oh, this is different though. This is really different because remember, right? Last year we didn't have a Christmas rally, and Lulu actually went up. And during Christmas period is somewhere around here. Okay, Christmas it didn't actually move a lot, but it's still a lot better than most of the stock. Most of the stock you don't even see this. Some of them they actually tank instead. Yeah, bro, maybe you can try, 350, huh? Yeah, I think this stock Q4 looks like it will move, huh? Okay, guys, write down in your notes Q4 we come back and take a look at Lulu. 350 actually not far. 350 is really not far. I think 350 is okay. Yeah, if you want to know where this move can go to, right? Where it will drop to, I think likely about 180. I think about 180 you can buy if you try to pick the bottom. You sold UNH then buy Lulu. Okay, do you make money in UNH? If you did, then good. Okay, nice. You bought at 278. Is it recently or long time ago? Because if it's recently, that means you try to pick at the bottom to buy though. Last few months. Okay. Q1 that time, huh? Okay, I think you bought during this drop. Okay, not bad. You're lucky you caught a very nice falling knife. Yeah, because I think UNH previously there was some of them who traded, and this range has been here for too long already, a little bit too long. I go for short-term cost of trend. Okay, understood. Yeah, I think you bought somewhere around here when it either starts to tank, if not when it starts to go up. a little bit. Yeah, you buy somewhere here. Okay lah, not bad. You close 315. 315 is a good price already. Yeah, this trade is actually quite good, not bad. Yeah, but Lulu, you can wait for a little bit before you start to DCA. I think maybe 180 is also quite possible. Yeah, I think you can put on hold first. If you're using a cash account, I don't think nothing much for you to worry lah. But if you're using a margin account, I cannot trade like you because I use a margin account. I cannot DCA like you. If I DCA like you, I will die very, very badly. Okay, Palantir, now the third hour. Okay, third hour, usually it will pull back a little bit. After 4, 5, 6, it will start to drop again. Okay, Palantir, wait. Not yet done, although we are very close to support. And at the same time, where are we? Yes, we are at support, my friends. Okay, can wait for a little bit. How is our visa doing? Where's our visa? Okay, good. This trade gives me more and more confidence that it will start to go already. Okay? Fire off. Don't come back anymore, visa. Just go. Move up. Okay, looks like EMD is also pulling back. EMD, let's see. Yep, just some sideways consolidation. AMD. Okay, I will set an alarm for AMD at about 141.5. If AMD can come into this zone, maybe I will try to buy it. How about NVIDIA? NVIDIA still extremely strong, still going up. No trade for me on NVIDIA. On NVIDIA, I can't seem to find any opportunity to get in though. Yep, it just kept going up and going up. What else? Tesla. How is my Tesla doing? Where's my Tesla? Wow, garbage lah, garbage. I think I want to close it off already. This is not good, guys. Okay, if you look at this part, do you feel like Tesla is doing exactly the same thing over here? Okay, look at this part, this part, okay, from the low over here, and then you look at this part. Does it look very similar? It looks like it's coming down, Say, Joe. Huh? What Trump is going to say, my friend? Roderick, what he's going to say? Give me updates. Is he going to say something? Say, Joe, poor guy. Yes, random. I look at my Tesla, I tell myself, dead liao, this time round. GG, my friend. Really, I look at this one, I keep look and look and look. It looks like the same thing though, like history going to repeat itself. And right now, you know where we are or not? We are here, okay? Here, this part. I can zoom in or not? Okay, I zoom in, you all look at this. Looks exactly the same. Looks like it's going to tank. The president participate in a visit with the foreign minister. Okay lah, I think this one nothing much lah. The most, he nag a little bit. Yeah, random, my Tesla is not good. Really not good. Wow, I think I will have to take this loss already. This loss is like 1 point something % of my account. Yes lah. Yes lah. Die lah. Want to short Tesla or not? Want to buy a put option for Tesla? We can take a look, okay? We take a look first. Stand by a little bit. I want to make back my money. Okay, guys, this one not revenge trading, Not revenge trading, Don't get me wrong. Okay, I analyze properly first, okay? I don't revenge trade. Just that I keep looking at this over and over again. I really think that it's going to drop. Okay, we can take a look at some put option. This one I think you buy max 2 weeks enough. Don't buy for too long. Yo, why so expensive? Yeah, I'm almost losing 1.5% on this trade already. My god. No sell call, no sell call. Okay, don't ask me to sell call on Tesla. I'm very scared. Wow, you sell a put option. This option costs $11. I think if I want, I short the stock better. I short the stock, I put a stop loss at maybe 333.5. Okay, wait. We use VWeb, okay? One moment. Okay. Let it go a little bit first. If Tesla, can come down here, come back and retest the VWeb, we shot it. Yes, random. Expensive, expensive. ไม่มีตังค์แล้ว no money แล้ว really, this one really looks like it's going down. You know why or not? I show you one more thing. You look at this, okay? My computer very, very lucky. Okay, you put on this trend line. I show you. What you see? We broke out already, my friend. Broke out of the trend line. Right now, consolidating outside the trend line. This one, high chance will dump all the way down. Yes, 冇錢啊，要食屎油啊！ My God. Actually, I like to short Tesla a lot. You see, previously I short Tesla a lot. Shorting Tesla is always fun. Can pay 50% of the cost price. Then I learn in Canto. How you going to learn in Canto? I cannot even speak Canto. Can retest trend line first. You mean what trend line? Retest this one? This part of the trend line? You know, my faith in Tesla is like, I would rather short it rather than, go and buy it. Because I remember there was one shot, it was beautiful. I think it's this one, if I remember correctly. This is the part that Tesla, the Elon Musk, he messed up. I forgot what was the event, but I think somewhere, I think this part, he also announced some services back then. Then after that, when he announced, I went to short it. I think I shorted here. Then after that day, he announced something, then Tesla, go down. Can random if I speak in Cantonese, I think you will ask for refund. You don't understand a single thing. Market is slow today, guys. Hey, random, the Telegram not updating anything. Is yours updating anything or mine is not? Because I don't see any news over here though. Mine keeps saying connecting, but like nothing is appearing. Did I? Oh no. I think never update anything. Okay, Google is not bad. Google looks like it's consolidating here. Then after maybe for more upside. CYN like strong now. CYN. Okay, yours also nothing, huh? Good. Yes, very strange also. Normally, like there are many things going on like every few hours. I don't think his is manual. I don't think so. I see the way he posts. It's like 24 hours. Midnight he also posting. Wow, what is this? CYN. Like strong now. Strong for downside, Sing Long, you mean strong for downside, is it? CYN. Oh, Tantan is a news services that we use. Normally they post a lot of things, but recently like a bit slow. Uh, uh, oh, it's a news service. News is for news. So we get like updated news and what happens in the market and everything. Yeah, Singlong, that one looks like a downtrend though. Okay, so basically this CYN is a specialized in AV software and solution. Okay, they are heavily invested in R&D. Yeah, this the CYN I think is better you wait. You wait a little bit more, at least maybe a few weeks or something, because it have been like that flat for a long time now, and right now you have this spike up. This spike up possibly right what you will see very very soon is that this stock will come down, go up, then after come down, go up, down, up. After it starts to going flat like around this area, then it will be uh for a very long time already. Thoughts on Robin Hood? Hood. Okay, Robin Hood is pretty strong recently though. I have no idea why. Okay, Robin Hood. Let me see this part. Yeah, for me to buy Robin Hood again, I would love to see at least this minimum. I would love to see Robin Hood, you know, uh, give me a larger pullback that breaks out of this trend line before I will be interested to buy again. Because if I don't see this right, uh, wherever I buy, maybe I buy here or something, the move up can be quite small. Then I have to TP already. So I prefer to see a larger pullback first. No larger pullback, no trade for me on Robinhood. But of course, if you're in this trade, right? Congratulations, friend. Uh, you make a lot of money already. Trump planning 50% tariff on EU products. Oh, okay. Then Europe GG lor. Their BMW, Mercedes, Ferrari, Lamborghini, everything, the price is going up. Yeah, I think Europe is their economy is actually pretty weak right now. And I did read somewhere they say that if the tariff and everything were to take place, the first country that goes into a recession should be Europe. But I don't know which country lah. They just say Europe. Asking cost coin previously enters. So is Robinhood listed in the S&P? No, right? It's not listed in S&P, correct? Yeah, normally, yeah, if you see the news, they say that the next upcoming this stock, that stock is going to be listed in the S&P 500. That's when you buy the rumor, and then one day before it get listed, you sell the stock. Okay, book your profit, get out. But September got potential, huh? Okay, wait. S&P next rebalancing. When is the next rebalance, huh? Oh yes, really, September. Yeah, so a few weeks before that, you can try to monitor, see what will be added and what will be removed. Usually those that will be added, normally they will start to move. Oh, the June one already done. What is all this? Do you all know? Is there any change for this one? Oh, the June one got no change. Nothing get added, nothing get removed. I guess every quarter. No wonder I was thinking, how come the June one I don't see any news like saying what will be, uh, what is actually being added and what is being removed. But this time around for June, right, no change at all, zero. Oh, your BBAI got triggered. BBAI. Nice. Tantan, Tantan is a very, very good example. I think Tantan practice something that I don't see in a lot of people, that is, you buy high and sell higher, which is amazing though. Coin join S&P already, really? Huh? S&P 500 June rebalance. Okay, S&P 500 June rebalance 2025. Did I choose the wrong one? No, unchanged, you see? Unchanged. Ne? Unchanged in rebalance, nothing. Just now I read the article also, they say nothing changed, Okay, can. Coin added to S&P 500. When is it being added? This is May 13 though. This is like 1 month ago. I think 1 month ago. 13th of May. Yeah, I'm also not too sure about this. Usually, during at least maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks before the rebalancing, right, you will see a lot of news like they will tell you which stock is going to be added, which stock is going to be removed. But this time around, I also noticed I didn't see any of that. Maybe coin like silently get added into it. May 13th. We can go back to the chart. We can look at coin. Coin join on 13th of May. The news was announced on 13th of May. We can go back to coin and we look at 13th of May. Why is 13th of May? Here. Ah, so this was the part. 13th of May, it announced. So this part, it moved. But I think announced already, but not officially added in, is it? No worries. I tell you what, just ask this. S&P 500. Okay, Dylan, one moment. Okay. Now we know the answer liao, okay? You can read this part. This one, the second paragraph. So you understand now? Random? So coin is like a ninja. It enters into S&P 500 and nobody knows about it. Oh, they can have, maybe this one is special invitation to add coin into S&P 500. Or you sold one day before that, huh? No, because the news only announced on 13th of May, like, so if you because if the news announced on 13th of May, usually the fastest I think it takes about 1 week or 2 weeks before it's being added, so you still can buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay, can understood. Because if you look at this news, right, it announced on 13th of May, 10 p.m. Yeah, I'm also not too sure, huh? But no worries, you'll have plenty of chance like that. Oh, amazing. This is also my first time seeing a stock being silently added into S&P 500. You sold at 212. I also don't know whether I got buy or not. Let me see, huh? Coin 13th of May, around that period, huh? I think maybe I didn't buy. Oh yeah, I think maybe I missed that news. Yeah, I don't even know coin is actually being added already. No wonder coin is so strong. Can my MSTR also, buck up or not? Huh? MSTR, you can buck up or not? You need to move like your friend. Talk about birth rate, what he wants. He wants to have more baby. We are safe. Okay, I need to fix the bot. The bot is not working so well for the news. No worries. Tomorrow I try to fix it again, okay? Hmm. In crypto, very excited. Richard, you like to trade crypto also? Normally, I don't trade crypto. I like to buy either MSTR or coin. Because Momo, right? The downside about Momo that I don't like is if you want to trade crypto, you need to transfer money from your main account into the crypto account, which can be quite troublesome. So usually, if I see an opportunity in Bitcoin, I will go and either buy MSTR. If not, I buy coin. Don't have like random now. No opportunity for me. But Nike this time around the earnings is strong, really really strong. So strong even after earnings, it still keeps going up. This one might have more potential to go up. Nike beat earnings, beat earnings. And just purely based on this move, you can tell that the future guidance is quite good also. Usually if the future guidance is not that good, you start to see it starts to chop here. But this one, it keeps going up. So if you want, you can go and look at the news. Crypto, you feel that the fee very high. I think you need to use specialized crypto broker to actually buy them. Like I think the one called what, Binance or something, maybe will be cheaper. Oh, Coinbase is higher. Then what else? What else? What else can... no, no, no. If you want to trade, or if not, you can use crypto.com. I have a friend who works in crypto.com. Then after that, I think if you deposit a certain amount, they give you very, very nice cut though. Yeah, I cannot find the, the earnings news for Nike already. It's way too far gone. Oh, they say they forecast a smaller than expected drop in Q1. Okay. The company expects a smaller sales decline and improved gross margin. Huh. Nice. Oh, Nike plan to build factory in US to reduce tariff. Okay, nice, nice. Apple eh? Apple still got no plans to build factory in US, right? Because I read they say that it will still be more expensive to build a factory in US rather than even after factoring all the tariff and everything, building in China is still cheaper. Okay, I really think that this Apple really got chance to fire off. Okay, if you're not in Apple, something for you to consider. After that news spike. Jackson, are you in Nike? Do you speculate the earnings? Hey guys, all of you over on live stream, do you speculate earnings? Like maybe one day before that you try to enter a long or a short position, that kind. Do you all do that? Do you think there is any news coming up for Apple? There is. This investors have filed a class action lawsuit against Apple for misleading statement regarding AI feature in Siri for the iPhone 16, impacting sales and business outlook. Okay. I think the Apple is actually being fined already. I think it's done and over. One moment, huh? Just now I saw this news on Apple. Where is it? Let me try to find. Wow, no idea where's the news. So much things. Uh, how do I select that, huh? Is it this? No, not this. Only if I can copy and paste that will be so good, but I can't. How do I copy this? €500 million fine. 500 euro fine. Sing long you'll follow but won't speculate, smart guy. Okay, if you speculate very soon you will get burned, man. Okay, this is I think the news. Can you see or not? If you can't, I can zoom in even more. Oh, Apple have a deadline. 7th of July. Okay, you can trade Apple until 7th of July. After that, more or less try to get out. That's last week. Yes, I think the newest one is on July 7th. Okay, so by July of 7, I don't think this is regarding the tariff though, because I think they promise certain features in their Siri AI feature, but then they over promise, under deliver. That's why they got this fine. But Apple really looks quite good though. It's a little bit slow. It moves a bit slow. But I still think that Apple might get that move soon. Very, very, very soon. Wow, Spy damn strong, Spy. My god, not coming back anymore. Okay guys, I go and get some water first. I will be back 2 minutes. Guys, today market moves so slow, huh? Did your day trade anything? Oi, Palantir going up. Hey, should I sell a put for Palantir? Let me see. Palantir, 28 days. 133, $5.16. Random, is this a good one to buy? To short? IV is almost 52%. I think you're too tired already, lah, friend. You should go and sleep, you know. If you know got no opportunity, don't need to force anything. Just wait. Okay, we are already in good trades already. Just need to let them run. Yes, random. Usually, my style really. I trade for like 30 minutes, 1 hour a day, and that's it already. Hey, you know, your parents is worried about you. You should look at girls, not look at boy, you know? They go ask you about boy, are you okay? Yeah, really, random, got nothing already. If you want to go and sleep, okay? I can see lah, the you know, the whole bunch of you that comes here, you all come for hours, that kind. Yeah, you know, sometimes really got no opportunity. Like around, like now, like today, I only took one trade, which is actually Visa, and no more, really, no more, guys. If you want to sleep, go and sleep. I really, appreciate all of you for coming here for hours, that kind. Random, spoken like a wise man, huh? If I keep watching a guy, I think my parent will be worried though. I think my dad will ask me, shouldn't you be watching a lady instead of a guy? The China market looks like quite good to short also. Even for Baba looks like something that you can short. Want to do a day trade or not, huh? Baba, we take a shot. After that, tomorrow we TP. I think tomorrow when market open, you will see China gap down again. Okay, if you take a day trade for Baba, okay, market open already here. Okay, you have to put a stop here. Also not too wide lah. 115.5. Huh? Tomorrow no market meh? Tomorrow holiday meh? No, tomorrow is not a holiday, right? Oh, tomorrow Saturday ah. Oi. Oh, today is Friday. I I thought today is Thursday though. Oh, no wonder. My friend asked me tomorrow want to go Batam or not. Oh, okay, guys. Go and take a break. You know? TGIF. Go and drink some alcohol. No need to come and watch a guy every single day. Market really got nothing. Really got nothing already. Oh, today is Friday. Okay. Uh, Friday. Okay lah, but so far so good. Okay. You just wait if you are still awake or something. Wait until 1 a.m., 2 a.m. If market don't have a sudden sell-off, I think it will be fine. Yeah, like alcohol, you don't need to buy margarita or something, right? You can buy beer. Beer is cheap. Buy one can also good. Yes, now it's not TGIF, TGIS. I thought today is Thursday. That's why I'm here for a long time. Wow, don't stress me already, okay? Don't stress me, Liao. I built my website until I want go crazy already. Maybe I will just upload all the costs, the pictures, all that. I don't care anymore. You know, at least I just need the part for the video to be done and the Discord group to be done. I'm fine already. Whether the content of the website, that one I can take my time and do lah. Huh? Just that you go to my website, you'll see all empty photos only on the main page. But when you log in, everything is there. I try to be on time, okay? That's why my friend asked me want to go Batam. I said cannot lah. No time to go Batam. We still go Batam. Tomorrow, okay, Saturday I need to do the course. Sunday I do the course. Monday I think I'm also pretty free. Let me see, huh? Monday. Yes, Monday I'm free as well. Yay. Okay lah, I got 3 days to chiong. My partner I still haven't asked him. I haven't seen him though. Recently he also never really text me. Is he here or not? Let me see. And he's not here. Today not here. Today he's not here. I think TGIF for him. Just now his best friend is here. His best friend is Jonathan. Just now there was one guy who calls Jonathan. He came into live stream, I think, for maybe 15 minutes or something. That one is his best friend. Trump is talking. Random, you really go and live by the 2x rule? You sure? Random want to change his life. Okay, guys, Bitcoin, I think really, Bitcoin, you will see it starting to fire off from here. Not coming back anymore. You go and say bye-bye. Okay, next target for Bitcoin. This one is what? Okay, next target 120. No issue, easily. Trump is talking. Okay, he talked about birth rate, so no impact to the market. Okay, next week, just be careful about all those tariff. It's coming soon. For lower UX UI quality minus 20%. What is UX UI? User interface, is it? It sounds like user interface. I sponsor the mask. We'll go and rob the bank together. Wow, Microsoft beautiful, really beautiful. Microsoft. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oracle. Nope. Netflix. Nope. Yeah, I also think that next week the market will be a bit slow. Maybe we'll see some pullback. Market went up a little bit too much. But of course, pullback is good. If we see some pullback, we can try to buy something again. How is Disney now? Disney. Okay, Disney at least coming to break this high already. Just a little bit more. Guys, you all don't want to go rest. Today really got nothing. Okay, no more comment and questions. Yes. Google, you still holding? Yes, Richard, I'm still holding to Google. Google, let me see where can I take profit for Google. Google, I do have a target. The target is actually about 187, around there. So maybe another $14 more for it to go. For now, no plans to take off Google. I like it. This is considered a decisive break of the trend line. So we broke out of resistance and likely lah. I think next week you'll see that Google starts to go like that a little bit before it starts going again. Yeah, because my entry is... Where's my entry? I think I buy around 166, maybe around here. Oh, no. I bought here. 166 here. When it was coming down, I bought it. Then, okay lah. Right now, quite a far distance away from my entry already. So, for Google, I think nothing much to worry. Just let it run. But of course, by the end of next week, likely, I will make a decision whether I want to close off most of the positions or not. Unicorn. Visa is very good. I just entered not too long ago. I entered here. So right now in slight profit, not a lot, but at least something, Visa is good. I've been waiting for it for a long time now. Visa can move. When Visa starts to move, sometimes it's super aggressive. Okay, guys, any more questions? No more questions. We take a early off, okay? You guys go and relax. Just if you are still awake by 1 or 2 a.m., can monitor for any like sudden sell off or rapid sell off, then you can shift your stop a bit higher. Yeah, market very slow. Yes, it's a Friday. I thought it's a Thursday. Okay, good night, my friends. Have a good weekend. I will see you next Monday. Okay? Take care, everybody. Go and enjoy your weekend. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. Okay, can random, can, no problem. Okay? I try to get it done by this weekend. Okay lah, go sleep, okay? Go sleep, go and rest. Okay, see you random. Bye bye. Have a good weekend.